first, subscribe to the channel. Yeah, boy. Pineapple chicken. I have a barbecue.
Super duper lit. What's good, Soulfly fam? You know it's your boy Henry back with another video. As would I say, another day, another dollar out here. Today I do it. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Remember, tell a friend. We're out here. We are doing it.
Make the world better. Stop crime and violence and just love each other. Each and every day make we just pray to the Father. I make we lift up the world, yeah.
Yeah, so we in our kitchen today. We are doing some pineapple chicken.
You're going to take me outside, don't?
Yeah, no. Okay. There is some pineapple chicken today, so stay tuned for the video. So yeah, peel the pine. Yeah, boil the skin with ginger. Yeah, so we have a pineapple piece, so we're going to use it for garnish. A cut piece, boil, and we are using the next piece to garnish with carrot, sweet pepper.
Sweet pepper in there?
Yes, folks, here, you have it here first with your boy, Henry. Check it out, niggas. You gotta have fun while you're cooking. So, alright, so we're going to pour some water into this, you know. Pour some water in this. Yeah, so we have ginger. I have my chef jacket, I don't know what's about. So we have ginger, so we just crush the ginger. Then we have pour the water in the pot and put it on. Yes, we are going to boil this. We're going to boil it, put it on low flame, people. Low flame. Then when it steam out, we're going to cool it and blend it. So you can cut the garnish to the pineapple. Two different ways. You can dice it, like how you dice the chicken, or you can julienne it. When you julienne it, so we are julienne it, and we are do some dice. Yeah, we do some dice. So. Subscribe to the channel, subscribe for more videos, and hit that thumb, like, one piece of it, can't taste it, you know, see that? Yeah man, taste it. I want a piece of pineapple. Tell me how it tastes. Tell me how pineapple tastes. Alright. So because I julienne the carrots. Same way. So I just. You want the carrots or no? Can I take some more? Yes, people. So this is the garnish. So this I'm gonna use the garnish the food. If they don't fry it, they use it. Show the sauce over it. Alright, so we are using the chicken breast. We are diced with chicken breast. Now cut it this portion and pick up. So Jamaican like food nothing or so. You probably show them this and then say this little bit. So
Yes, that's true.
so we have to cut it.
Now
bigger.
I like how you cook stew chicken. You know cook stew chicken fine, you know.
Yeah, so remember to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share. Pineapple, I boil another pot, the ginger. I put piece of thyme in it. As we say, when it cool off, you just turn it off, cool off, get cool, and then blend it up, strain it and put it on back. And then season it up, finish it up. So fly from, we normally use egg powder, but today we are working orange season, flour.
Alright, I want me
So we have a baking powder, with a baking powder and a flour, salt,
Alright, thanks. See
and the orange season, as you can
When
see.
me come home, me call you because me get one dream and me no like the dream when me I get. 2 night pound straight.
Yeah man, subscribe no man. You me attack right there, so we are wait for brother. Click the button man, my friend, subscribe no my friend. Yeah man, see but yeah, subscribe, me I wait.
Yes!
You subscribe yet?
Yes, people, we're gonna season with oil. Season with oil. Then we're gonna dip with chicken now, with flour. We're gonna flour butter it. Then we're gonna fry the chicken. We're gonna fry chicken until golden brown. Normally we would use egg powder, but we use orange season to get the color. Yes, so fly fam. So now we have a pine skin, ginger,
So we have a strain it now.
thyme. We blend it, you see me? So we just have a strain now.
Yeah, I'm gonna put it on back on the fire.
We have strain, put it back on the fire, on medium flame. If you catch the color, what would I use is egg powder, but we not have egg powder now. So as we say, we are use a little tip of orange season to try catch that nice pineapple color. Yeah. So alright, the chicken done fry already, and a cool. Garnish cut already. So the sauce we are doing now. So remember people, drop on a comment down below. Make we know what go on. So people, this pineapple chicken it can use as a main course, also as an appetizer. Yeah, because you can cut smaller, use as an appetizer, use as finger food. So it's good for any little function, any little fancy function. You see me? Finger food. For real.
Can taste the pineapple in this. Real pineapple sauce. And put it on the boil. Put it on high flame, then put it on low. Then thicken it. Throw the garnish in it. So I use either cornstarch or flour paste to thicken the sauce. Little bit of salt.
Oh, then was the other one?
Yeah, go finish the dish now.
It now go too big. It too big? It too big?
Good.
Out of one
If you don't
stove.
want, then you can take it up. Take a spoon on and just take it up.
Out of one stove is coming from, you know? Can be called chicken pan, roast chicken in it and something.
And use that, the roast chicken, yes? Alright. So a garnish.
So then I go cook George. Lord have mercy. I don't know if people then ask me how come me give them food and not cook, you know.
And now we'll cut it out. Now man, you see, everything else you can eat already in a pineapple.
Yeah.
You eat carrot, so you eat this, so this is not vegetable.
Yeah.
Everything else you can eat, so. Garnish, you don't want it too mush up, because the sauce I put it on and
Yeah.
it's still a go cook, you know.
Yeah. And you need one big spoon for see one big spoon, yeah? See one big spoon there, man. I use to throw the sauce over it.
This are the how you want the sauce look.
Yeah, okay.
I want the sauce too thin. As me already put some in it. Then I just pour it over the chicken. See it look now? See the chicken look now? I bet you don't want to taste it now. You want to taste it.
Ready to taste it, yeah.
You must want to taste
Make
it.
it mermaid in there first. Make up something there and come back.
So this pineapple chicken.
Oh, smell good!
So, real pineapple. We don't bother use no artificial nothing. Straight pineapple we use. Real.
George, you need to
So
take a
people,
picture, man. You
These
need
are the
to
pineapple chicken as you can
George,
see.
take a picture. Give me now. Me can't make them nice up there in the kitchen and take a picture
So
now.
this is our pineapple chicken. I forgot to take a photo, yes? Pineapple chicken.
George, it tastes good.
So people, remember to subscribe to the channel.